Welcome back to the channel and welcome to an unboxing video. In today's video we're going to unbox and have a look at the Manfrotto Compact Light Tripod. So if you're new to the channel and you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you head down below and smash that subscribe button. So in today's video, we're going to unbox this Manfrotto tripod. So I just picked this guy up from Amazon to replace a current tripod that I have. This is a little bit smaller, a little bit lighter, and it has some features on it that my old one didn't, which I will go through very shortly. I did put a direct link in the description below to this tripod. So if you want to grab one of these guys to add to your photography bag, head down there and click on that link, and you might even have it in 2 days with Prime shipping. So let's get into the unboxing. So as you can see, this is the Manfrotto tripod with ball head for compact system cameras, compatible with any device up to 3.5 pounds. So we should be good with the Nikon rig that we have, as well as the Sony a7C. So let's get into this guy. Tape here, pop that open. So have a very nice carrying case. It's definitely got some padding in it, so it's not just nylon. There's a little bit of protection, and it's a shoulder strap as well. Okay, so this guy here is the ball head clip. So this little piece of plastic was just on there for the shipping, so you take that off. And then this screws directly into your camera mount. So what I really like about this is you don't have to have any adapters. And I know some people like the quick plates, but the problem I have is when using multiple cameras, I put the plate on one camera, it's not on the other camera, I can't find it, I can't use my tripod. So this way, without having any type of plates, this to me is an important type of system to have, so I don't have to worry about those adapter plates that I have on all my cameras. The other thing that I absolutely love about this tripod is the quick release clips. So nice, simple, easy, and then clip them closed versus twist grips. Not a fan of the twist grips whatsoever. My 2 previous tripods had them. It's not like I need to set it up super fast. So even just for the leveling alone, these clips are much easier to handle versus the twist. Speed's not that important to me, but they're also much faster too. So you can also see on the bottom of this tripod here, it's got some nice rubber feet. And then at the top, this part here is also adjustable. So you have quite a bit of height to add additionally at the top of the tripod as well. And then that is the smallest footprint right there. And this, I believe as well, pops right out. So if you want a selfie stick, you've got one of those too. So there you have it, the Manfrotto Compact Light Tripod. Not a whole lot to this guy, but it is definitely super light. Great adjustments with the clips. Don't have to worry about having an adapter, and it comes with a great carrying case. So if you think you want to pick one of these guys up for your camera, head down below, check out the Amazon link, and you might even get this delivered to your door with 2 days Prime shipping. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below and hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.